Sala, lights, oh. What's this? Lights. Achaka, chaka, 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 chaka.
Happy birthday, Xyler. Daddy B-boy ni. Love you so much. Good boy always na. And then, dili na mag-away kay ate, okay? Good health always para sa imo ha. Love you so much.
Xyler, and we love you so much. Always remember nga naalang si mommy and si daddy Perme. And si ate pod, mo na ayaw awaya si ate Yana. Magdako ka nga mahimo ni mong best friend si ate Yana, okay? I love you.
Xyler, I love you so much. I wish you will be so good when you grow up. I will make you a good person. Love you so much.
Xyler, happy second birthday. Wish na ko unta butan lang yapong kapirmi. Unta sige yapong smile. Walang to.
Happy birthday, Xyler. Wishing you good health always. I love you.
Baby Granny, happy birthday, good health, and you are always my baby boy. Happy birthday.
Hi Xyler, this is Tay wishing you the happiest birthday. My wish for you is good health, of course, and be someone that is full of love. And when you have that, you'll be able to give love to others. And always instill in your mind that there will be so many people along the way that will help you grow, and most importantly, show some good love to you. If you need any help, just let me know. I'll be the greatest Tay you'll ever have. And of course, be a good boy to your mommy and to your daddy. And of course, be a good and helpful brother to your sister Yana. I love you so much. And I can't wait to see you again. And hopefully, I'll be a great contribution to your growth. And I can't wait to see many more milestones that you'll be able to experience. I love you.
Hi, Xyler. Happy birthday. I pray that you will grow to be a healthy and happy boy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Xyler. I hope you have a great day.
Love you.
Hi dong, Xyler. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Wish na ko sa imuha nga magpabilin kang butan, kanunay, mapinanggaon nga igsuon, kay Ate Yana, ug matinahuron sa ginikanan, kay Daddy B-boy, ug Mami ARA, Timani kanunay, love na love kaayo ka ni Mami La, ug ni Daddy Lu. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Xyler. Happy birthday. I love you dong. Hinautunta nga magdako ka nga buutan patinumanon sa imong Mami ARA ug Daddy B-boy ug ni Granny. Dong, wish na ko nimo nga mabright ka sa imong pag-eskwela unya, parehas kang Ate Yana nga bright kayo sa school. Study hard and love your parents. I love you. God bless.
No. Oh, it's turning. Happy birthday! No.
Oh, no.
Picture.
This one. Okay na, 6 Oh.
gamay ring bisol din, no? Dili ni mulapot kung wala kay bisol nga wala bakon pa kay tubig.
Turn it on, turn it on. Turn it on. On. Off? No more. No more fun. Ay, ang fun di ay na.
Ate, iposa sa natin. Too bright. Happy birthday!
Kay Ginoo kini siya sa buhi hasta sa siya ay ato tayo mo ay baon sa isa tao Ginoo birthday now ang dako siya nga mahimong pinanggaon kung Kristo ka.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Naka-video man eh. Naka-video niya po ah.
Pag-video.
gift, my love. No? Let's check what the gift is. Oh, this is a... What's this? This is a... What? Eggs! How many eggs? How many eggs? Wow! Open! Nag-open ang gift kay Marco. Hindi matapot.
Ay, lapit na po dito.
Gali. Wow, so many eggs. Can you count how many eggs did it? Can you count how many eggs are there? Wow. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open! Wow! Nothing's inside! Open! Open mouth. One more. Open mouth. Yummy. Oy. Yummy. Hatag te. Sige, hatag. Hatag te. Give kay Iya te, kay Iya. Thank you. Isa pa. Thank you. Gana. Hello. Rex. Thank you. Smile sa, smile. Hi, video. Hello, busy na dyan sila. Oh, mga bata, smile sa diri oh. Busy na dyan sila. Ay, very busy dahil ay bakot-bakot. Ay,
Gugu gaga.
Ate yan, alis ka. Xyler, like this one. Yana, come here. Butok din. Here. Yana.
Ini sobi.
Sabay sa mic. Oh, happy birthday na lang. Sabay-sabay na lang ha. Happy birthday, Xyler. Ano ha? Sabay-sabay ha. One. Wait lang, wait lang. Ready? Yeah! Wait lang. Sige, happy birthday, Xyler ha. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Xyler!
Gusto mo mag-shoot ka?
Pwede.
Okay ka? Ay, nakawa. Heart lang. Beer, toy. Beer ako napalit.
Ano kayo?
Wala, naglang. Hindi na nagtumo na. Ano, gilay?
Abi ka nila kung mo, baba si Jiboy ba? Oh, mag-graduate. Mag-graduate.
Ano ba sila yung sulat sa sabi?
Hi lang, hi lang dito, hi!
Tuloy. Mari, tuloy.
Ako na din na.
Ano na? Palukat na. Yan ito. Grabe na. Aslong ko yan. Maganda na grabe.
Ikuhan dyan na tayan ang kuhan mo yun. Kaya,
Ano? May pangay sa bahay. Sir. Hi, Mara.
Baby, love, 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 baby Amara. Love, love, cousin, love, 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 love. Asa naman to, eh? Ay, dapat. Dance na, dance.
Okay na. Okay na.
Lingko din. Asa na naggawas? Sabi mo.
Dali na na sila nagdula.
Ready? Ay, nag-play.
Magsulit ka mo dali. Magsulit na sila. Kaya. Dula na sila dayon. After.
Good job. Cuties. Hindi kasi nabot. Isa naman. Thank you, Kuya Adam. Masaligan na rin si Kuya Adam.
I want to go to the airplane. What is the airplane?
Te, nag-play pa kami dyan, te? Tara na, wala na.
Uy, ayaw mo pa doon ng aeroplano. Pagdari ko. Gusto ko sa aeroplano. Ay, sila ko na aeroplano. Dito na ako. Natulog ko. Oh, no. Oh, natulog ko. Natulog. Ako,
Kuya Adam. Picturean dyan ako sila lihat. Smile! Dali, iya, iya! 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 Wala ko sa password. Netitit na lang niya.
Wait. Give me the phone. That is Bili ba ako ito? Libre, sunod. Nasusunod sa kuhan. Galing plano.
Hello, Xyler? Hello? Ano? Full house.
Oh, hell! I'm not going.
And? Mommy, I love you. No. You're staying with mommy. You're staying with mommy. No.
Okay, I'm gonna be
What? Nose to nose.
Nose to nose.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Thank you. Say thank you. Nose to pan. Kay mami. Kay mami saan? Mami saan?
Nakal na sila, miss.
Mama.
Kira ka?
Look at the ears. Bob the Sudo? Bob the train?
What's this?
Oh my God, wala nagigawas kanina.
Wala din ako gigawan. Egg! Yay!
Say thank you, Granny.
And Tete. Thank you, Granny and Tete.
Say thank you ba? Open the door. Open the eggs. Say thank you.
Bala mo na ka sa egg.
Say thank you.
Say thank you. Thank you, Tete. Open. Surprise!
Wow, count daw, be, how many eggs? Count how many eggs? Another stickers. Xyler, oh, look at ate, oh. What is the gift?
Your gift! Open. Ay, radyo ka kay ate. Ay, si ate.
Oh, pikas pate. Xyler, oh, look at this, oh. What is this?
Si ate na yung nag-open sa gift.
Wow, what is that? Wala pa di ay.
Oh, surprise gift na be ang sana. A toy. Siya toy.
Open pa, tinapay konti.
Wow.
Sige na, silip. Silip lang siya.
Xyler, look at your gift. Oh.
Ayun lang kayo, magamit pa ng paper bag.
Oh. Ay, Tara.
Xyler.
Yay! Wow. Ah,
Yay!
open.
Yay!
Hindi ko pansin.
Look.
Tapa. Yun na yun. Pa niya makakit. Wala pa
na itsura.
Ay, parang roro.
Ay, ikuan ko dahil na uso mo.
Pag net ko, di-assemble pa. Wala pa magunabulot na ng wala.
Oh, naiguang sa ball. Open sa. Mura yung birthday ni ate.
Dili man siya Xyler. Siya na, wow. Wait,
Gusa dito kay ate, oh. Gusa dito kay ate.
sa toy. Sa toy.
Isa na.
Careful lang kayo. Kasi mga gabi sa toy. Inay lang, inay. Appreciate.
Patience lang, te. Pero nga lang, open. Ay, yaman ang gate sa din.
I-open yung tarong. Tit, berahat tong para ma-open yung tarong.
Okay lang.
Ay, ayan ko sa ibang baga. Ay, hindi ba?
Tangag. What's that?
What?
What's that? Ah!
Alam na, they sell it.
Oy, open the box, te.
Ay, mini version.
Ay, cute.
Like this, oh. Somewhat like this. Oh.
Thank you.
Wow, cut me. Cut me lang.
Open.
Sige, gamay, te. Sige, gamay.
Open. Wait lang. Oh, open. Gisi. Come on.
Wow! Open. Careful ka siya open like go. Isa. Yay!
Oh, grabe. Open the gift.
Open the gift.
Open the gift.
Wow! Be open.
What is that? Open the train, the eye. Open the train.
Super ha? Teka na lang. Ayan ang yung super ha?
Yay! Unsa color?
What is the color of the train?
Sa color.
What is the color of the train? Ay, sus, kabalo dyan siya sa pagdula.
Unsa ni color? Ma-symbol man eh. Ma-change